Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Code formatting is an essential aspect of writing maintainable, readable, and error-free Python programs. A consistent and well-structured code base not only makes it easier for you to understand your own code but also for others who may collaborate with you. In this tutorial, we'll explore the principles of good Python code formatting, discuss the importance of adhering to style guidelines, and provide code examples to illustrate these concepts. Proper code formatting offers several benefits. Readability: well-formatted code is easier to read and understand, reducing the likelihood of errors and making it easier for others to collaborate on your project. Maintainability: a consistent coding style helps maintain the code base over time. When you or others revisit the code, it's easier to make changes or additions. Debugging: formatted code is less prone to syntax errors, making debugging quicker and more straightforward. Code reviews: a consistent coding style streamlines the code review process, as reviewers can focus on the logic rather than formatting issues. Python has an official style guide called PEP 8, Python Enhancement Proposal 8, which outlines the recommended conventions for writing Python code. Adhering to PEP 8 ensures that your code is consistent and follows best practices. Here are some key PEP 8 guidelines. Use 4 spaces per indentation level. Avoid tabs or a different number of spaces. Limit lines to 79 characters for code and 72 characters for comments and doc strings. If a line exceeds this limit, it should be wrapped with appropriate line continuation. Imports should usually be on separate lines and grouped in the following order: standard library imports, third-party library imports, and local imports. Use a blank line between import groups. Use descriptive names for variables, functions, and classes. Variables and functions should be in lowercase with underscores, snake_case, while classes should use camel case. Constants should be in uppercase with underscores. Write clear, concise comments and doc strings to explain your code. Use triple double quotes for multi-line doc strings and hashtag for single-line comments. Let's see all these guidelines in action with a simple Python program. Following Python code formatting guidelines like PEP 8 is essential for writing clean, maintainable, and readable code. Adhering to these conventions will make your code more accessible to others and reduce the likelihood of errors. Remember that consistency is key, and using tools like linters and code formatters, example Flake 8, Black, or Auto PEP 8, can help automate the process of ensuring your code complies with these guidelines. ChatGPT.